This is about people. More than anything, this is about people. This is about people who are in distress and their families. This is about all of you, because all of you care enough to care for these people and to help these people.
Everyone in this room understands, the public understands, when a police officer meets up with somebody on the street in crisis, the two doors that are typically available, the jail or an ER room, are not adequate solutions. This is exactly what we can celebrate today, that we are adding beds, we are adding staff, we are adding that element of the system that's been missing today.
What I love about the expansion is now we have more access to care, which is always a critical piece, and now more access to law enforcement. And so this is going to be a really lovely partnership, and we've got lots of partners here.
What we're doing with our partners in law enforcement and with our MCOT teams is saying good enough is not good enough. We are going to be here in Salt Lake City, in Salt Lake County, creating the models for the future. And that's what this prototype, this 12-bed prototype's about. We're learning what we're going to need to do so that when we walk into the Carolyn Gardner Center, we're going to be able to move ahead at full speed.
You know, I think those of you in this room really understand this continuum of care and how, if we want somebody who's in crisis to get back to contributing in their families and getting back to work, getting healthy, there's a lot of interventions along the way. And this is a critical one, an absolute needed element of our system for that continuum of care.